Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your HONOR Earbuds to Lite. You have to start by open Huawei AI Life application. Now your headphones should be connected with the app. And then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your device, and right here we have ambient sound control. To enable ANC, you need to click at the noise cancelling. We just enable it. To disable, you need to swap to the transparency mode or to the normal mode. And that's it for the gestures, for the application. We can also use the gestures to enable or disable ANC. By default, you need to press and hold at the touch areas or at your left or right earbud. The touch areas located at the back side of each earbud, and right here at the top we have it. So you need to press and hold at this touch area. Okay, let me put it to my ear, and now I'm going to press and hold. Now we use normal mode, and as you can see from the normal mode I just swap to ANC. And to disable it again you need to press and hold, and you will swap to transparency mode, and then press and hold again to swap to the normal mode. Now how to customize it? So firstly, you cannot change press and hold. You have this gesture and you will use it to ambient sound control. But let's move to the gesture control, press and hold, and as you can see right here, it's select to noise control. So we swap between ANC, normal mode and transparency. If you don't need some of this mode, let's say you don't need normal mode, you need to tap at the line, but you need to select two of these modes. So you can select, let's say, ANC and normal mode, or ANC and transparency, or normal mode and transparency mode, but you can see I cannot now remove the second mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.